Hello everyone, I'm doing a talking video for once, but I'm going to show you guys how to annoy your brother. Come on.
Chloe's friend.
Hi Rory.
Chloe's cat.
Rory, how are you? Oh, look at your game, you're losing. Ooh, dead, die, 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 die. Scream it in! Scream it in! Screenshot. Screenshot. Your face looks so miserable. Have I annoyed you? Have I annoyed you yet? What annoys him the most is doing this. Patty Fat And his new theme song is Rory's a fat cat, Rory's a fat cat, fatty itty fat cat. But here's this game. It's on the 9th wave. Hey, your garden hasn't took too much damage. Is it on easy?
Hard.
It's on easy.
Hard.
And that is our Xbox Live account. Yeah. Well, I'll be back. Well, that is the end of today's video, and that's how to annoy your brother to death. Yep, and I will be doing Plants vs. Zombie 1 in a minute once he's done with his round. He should be done in a minute, so bye.